Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the 8 settings on your iPhone that may be sharing your personal data and how to turn them off right now on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, go to the settings and here select the privacy and security and select the tracking and turn off allow apps to request to track. Now, disable the location access for apps that don't need it or set them to while using the app. And here, for the significant locations, turn this off to stop your iPhone from storing places you frequently visit. And after that, you can go to the settings and privacy and turn off sharing iPhone analytics and usage data for the analytics and improvements. And for the Siri and dictation history, disable the Siri and dictation history to reduce voice data being stored. And also, check iCloud settings and turn off syncing for apps that you don't use. And go to the Apple advertising settings and turn off the personalized ads. And also, some apps use Bluetooth to track nearby devices. So turn off the Bluetooth access for apps that don't need it. And that's it. Turning off these 8 settings will help you reduce data sharing and improve your privacy on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.